Hi, my name is Kyera Marie Leon Ziegler, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a balloon dinosaur. You will need two 260 green balloons, a black Sharpie pen, a white paint pen, a pair of scissors, and a pump. First, you want to blow up one 260 about 4 inches from the end. You're going to take the nozzle end of your 260 and you are going to twist a 4-finger balloon bubble. And you're going to repeat this and make a second bubble the exact same length. And you're going to join the nozzle with that little crease right there. And you're going to twist them together and lock your nozzle through your balloon. Next, you're going to make 2 more long bubbles and connect them the same way, but they are going to be about 2 fingers long. 1, 2, and you're going to twist them together just like that. Next, you're going to make another bubble, but it's only going to be about 1 finger long. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the 2 ends of the bubble, pinch them together, and twist to create a pinch twist. And this is going to hold your dinosaur's eyes and mouth in place. Next, you'll need to make a neck, which will be about 2 fingers long, about the same length as your eyes. And then an arm, which will be about 3 fingers long. A 1-finger bubble. Another 1-finger bubble. And another 3-finger bubble, and you're going to join those 2 3-finger bubbles together as you twist to create little arms. And then you're going to be making 1 more pinch twist right underneath that. So you're going to make a 1-finger bubble, connect the 2 ends, and twist. And now you have a little T-Rex and a little tail. You have no legs. So next, we're going to take another green 260 and we're going to blow it up, I want to say about 5 to 6 inches away from the end. Make sure you stretch first. Now, we're going to take the nozzle end of this 260 and make a bubble about 1 finger wide. And you're going to bring those 2 ends and make 1 more pinch twist. Now, you're going to make a loop by joining the end where the pinch twist is to the side of this balloon right here. And you're going to pinch them together and you're going to twist the pinch twist in this long balloon to create a loop. And this is going to be a dinosaur's foot. You're going to make his leg about 3 fingers wide. And that's going to be a bubble. Another 1-finger pinch twist. Then you're going to divide about 6-finger lengths of balloon. And you're going to make a bubble. And you're going to make 1 more pinch twist. And now you're going to make another 3-finger bubble right here. And you're going to make a loop the exact same size as your other loop. And now you just finish it off with a one bubble or one finger bubble turned into a pinch twist. And you have your dinosaur's legs. This is where the scissors come into play. You can cut off the end of this and then tie it around the pinch twist and the loop to create the foot. But I like to, well, doesn't work, tear it off. So you have your extra, you're just gonna let it go and tie it off so that no air escapes. So now you have your little dinosaur legs. And you're going to take that long 6-finger bubble and you're gonna split it in half. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna give your T-Rex about 3-finger bubble, and you're gonna take that end of the bubble and you're gonna bring it right in between the legs. Bring the tail up and go ahead and just twist it on over and adjust it. And then you have a little T-Rex. Next part is optional. You can draw a little face. I'm gonna use the white pen to create little teeth. I'm drawing little triangles. I'm gonna do the other side. So now he has a bunch of little teeth. And now I'm gonna draw 2 little circles for eyes. And make 2 lines slanting towards each other, downwards, to create little angry eyebrows. And finally, I'm gonna draw little nostrils on him, and you have your very own little dinosaur. You can go ahead and adjust him, make him look all nice, and he's done.